Okay, we can try and prevent Windows from storing LAN Manager Hash. That's another good policy. Also, we can disable the command prompt. We can disable force system shut or restart, right? Let's try these two, and then we'll let the other ones to configure later on. So first, start from prevent Windows from storing LAN Manager Hash, right? So we don't want to store the LAN Manager Hash, which is what the caching files, right? Which is for the to remember the username and password. So let's go create a new policy, new, and let's give a name, just say hashes or something, whatever. Hashes, something, some just name, right? Created a policy called hashes, right? I'm going to edit this, right? Where do we find this one? This is specific to computer, right? How do you know this is specific to users' computers? Have a look at Google, right? Have a good look at Google. Do a quick search in Google, and the Google will tell you the path, right? So what we do, we go under computer configuration, and then in computer configuration, if you go under policies, right? This is yeah, this should be under. Let's see. I can't technically remember. Let me find out whether if I can find the policy here. So if I go under Windows setting, because this is sort of a security settings as well. So go under security settings, and under security settings, right? Local policy. This is specific to computer, so local policy, and a security option maybe. Let me quickly have a look here. Somewhere it should be here. Something like do not store LAN manager. There's no do not store here. Do not display LAN manager, something like that. Here we go. Do not store LAN manager hash values on the next password change, right? So this tells you this security determine if at the next password change the LAN manager hash value for the new password is stored. The LAN manager hash is relatively weak and prone to attack as compared to the cryptographically strong Windows NT hash. Since the LAN manager hash is stored on the local computer in the security database, the password can be compromised if the security database is attacked. So by default, this is enabled on Windows Vista and above, right? On Windows XP, this is disabled, right? So define and then go and enable the policy, right? So once it enable, apply, okay, right? And make sure this has to go every user, right? Because this is not just only for one single organization. I'm going to put it under the group there. So now it is not going to save the or store the hash values, right? So that's how we configure the hashing option.